So what exactly is inside the Master and Dynamic MW65 headphones? The MW65 are Master and Dynamic's newest offering. They are Bluetooth wireless and now active noise cancelling headphones. I got these a few weeks ago and decided I wanted to take them apart and kind of see what the build quality was like once you peel off the leather and aluminum. Step 1 is to pry off the leather ear cup. If you lift up the foam around the perimeter of the ear cup, you'll see a bunch of T5 Torx screws that are holding kind of the frame, the earpiece, into the aluminum housing. So it's a simple matter to use the T5 Torx bit to unscrew those, and soon enough you'll have the speaker part out of the housing. Here we'll take a minute to inspect it. You can kind of see that in the left ear cup, this houses most of the electronics, including the antenna, the Bluetooth receiver, and the active noise cancellation circuitry. Lastly, we'll unscrew the last few T5 screws and take a quick peek at the new 40mm beryllium drivers that make these headphones sound so amazing. Interestingly, what I thought was an antenna, a black strip near where the hinge is at the top, it's actually a vent for the speaker. I never realized it, but of course the speaker is going to need some airflow in the back so it can move freely, and they vent it through a very fine mesh, kind of hidden by the hinge there at the top. The frame itself looks like stamped aluminum, which is glued into a plastic inner piece which holds all the electronics and circuitry. And as always, assembly is the reverse of removal. Next we'll take a look at the hinges. These look very industrial and very strong, but some T5 Torx bits takes those right off, and you can see that it's really just plastic holding that together, and the leather is crimped there in the ends. So that really nice industrial looking end with the screws is purely cosmetic. You got the plastic there doing all the work. Last but not least, we'll take apart the right ear muff just to see what's in there. It's pretty much the same as the left ear muff, the same T5 bolts. Inside this one is the lithium-ion battery and the charging circuitry. Notably absent from the right-hand side are any active noise cancelling microphones. There's actually only one microphone on the right-hand side, and that's the one you use for the virtual assistant or for speaking. One point in Master and Dynamic's favor here is that they glue very few components, so it's very easy to take this apart yourself and check out what's inside. It's not like other companies where everything's just plastic held together with glue. Well, that's it for this fairly simple teardown. There's really not too much to disassemble, really. I enjoyed these headphones quite a bit. The sound quality is fantastic and the noise cancelling is acceptable. I hope you enjoyed this short video into what makes MW65 headphones work.